Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we're going to set up our Binance.com account, connecting it to Liberium Crypto using our API keys. First we need to do is log into your Liberium Crypto, then go to Dashboard. The moment you're in on your dashboard, you'll see in the middle it says Exchange Settings. When clicking on Exchange Settings, it will give you 4 different exchanges: Binance.com, Gemini, Kraken, and KuCoin. Now we're going to do Binance.com. We click Binance.com and continue. It's asking for an API key and API security key. If you scroll down a little bit, it gives you full instructions on how to connect your API keys from Binance to Liberium Crypto. But let's do it step by step. The first, very important, the API and secret key are only displayed once. If they are lost, you have to start the process over. Save the key somewhere secure to access later. We're going to do it all in once. You'll see my entire API keys, but right after the video, I will be deleting them. Remember, don't share your API keys with anyone. Go to Binance.com and sign in. I've already signed in to make it easier. Click the personal icon near the top and then click on API Management in a drop-down menu. So let's get to the top. We click on the icon. We go down to API Management. The API Management page requires the naming of your API key. Enter in a name that's recognizable to you. So let's put in Liberium Crypto. And we'll create the API key. When creating this API key, it's gonna have few security measures. You're gonna have to put in your email verification, your phone verification, and your authenticator code. All of these codes will be different every time you do it. So let's get my email verification code. We'll get the phone verification code. And then we'll go and get our authenticator code. It's a lot of security measures, but it's for the safety of your account doing all of it. As you can see, our API keys are created. Now the next part, we've done all the security measures. After the security check, you'll see a page that has your API and secret key. It's crucial to copy the API and secret key into a safe file. Under API restriction sections, enable withdrawals, do not enable. So very important, if this section is enabled, make sure it's not enabled. Under API restrictions, select unrestricted. Unrestricted is a default setting. And then enable spot and margin trading. You come up here, added restrictions, and you'll enable spot and margin trading because there will be trading done. So only 2 things needs to be enabled: enable reading and enable spot and margin trading. Before saving it, we're copying our API keys and we paste it in. Then we copy our secret key and we paste it in. Before clicking continue on Liberium Crypto, save your keys first on Binance. This is a default pop-up that you'll always see. Press OK, and you need to put in your authenticator code yet again. As put it in, edit API key success. And now we can scroll down and see it's all set up and ready, and we can click continue on Liberium Crypto. As you can see, our Binance account is verified and connected and ready to work for us on Liberium crypto. Have a great one. Enjoy the profits.